Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create this fan cam slow motion video edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to split the clips here. You're going to need a few clips, and then you're going to basically select it, go to speed, go to curve, select customize, delete these two here, and then on the middle one you're going to drag it down to around 0.2x speed, so right about here. Add smooth slow motion and select the optical flow one, and you're going to do the same thing for all of your clips. If you want to, you can add in a flash video transition in the middle of the clips as well. Let's do one more. Oops. Like that. And then if there is, okay, I can't search it, but it's in white flash. I think it's under light effect. Here it is. You can add it in between the clips, and this is what it should look like at the end. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!